Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about English learning, and before this video I was recording my previous video and suddenly a person came during my recording and I have to stop my recording because he is willing to discuss me some important issues. They are, you know that in village areas there are so many issues. Some peoples are quarreling with each others, some are land sharing, and there are problems with each others, and people have to sit on a special place to discuss the difficulties and matters to resolve them. So he came and I discussed with him for 10 or 20 minutes, and after this I'm making this another video about for you. And sometimes you come across such kind of situation, and I also told you in my previous videos that you should speak out some things about the situation. As I spoke about that situation, a person came during my recording. I discuss in this video about that person. In this way, whenever you go on different kind of spots, discuss whatever things are present there, discuss about them. In this way, you will improve yourself, you will increase your knowledge of English learning, and you will know about new things. Because when you will go on different spots, there might be the different things, and you can discuss on those things, and your discussing style, your words might be different. In this way, you will fill your vocabulary with a lot of words, and when you will fill your vocabulary with so many words, then I think that you will not stuck during your conversation. Whenever you speak English language with someone, and if you have a lot of memory in your back mind, then it will be easy for you to speak, because you know that some people become stuck during conversation. They stuck because they lack the vocabulary. They were thinking in back mind that what proper word I should put in this sentence. So they are stuck. To refrain such kind of stucking, I think that you should fill your vocabulary with lot of English words, with lot of sentences, with lot of situations. So this is my suggestions for you, that whenever you go out on different places, discuss. Whenever you go in a hotel, discuss about the hotel, the things they're laying, and about the waiter, about the manager, about the crew of that hotel. In this way, you will improve your English language. Whenever you visit in a park, there are so many things you can discuss about them. And if you visit near the river, there are so many beautiful locations around. You can discuss on those locations. You can discuss on river. You can discuss about the species, the things, each and everything. I mean that when you go out on different spots, discuss on those things. This will help you to improve, to increase your vocabulary. When your vocabulary is filled, then you will not stuck. Instead of stucking, you will use the resembling word. Sometimes we stuck because we don't know the proper word, the proper sentence to use there. I think that in such a situation, you should use the resembling situation or resembling word. And if you don't know the resembling situation or word, then you can elaborate that thing through different kind of definitions. In my previous videos, I told you that if you are talking about onion and you have forgotten the English of onion, and you can speak in this way, that object is like a ball, and when we cut, we cry, and that is used in vegetables. So the other person will pick you that you are talking about the onion. When you will use this method, then I think that you will improve yourself, you will grow yourself in English language. We are always thinking that we should proper sentence, proper word in this sentence, so we are stuck. Don't think in such way. Use resembling words or make the definition in different way. In this way, your impression of English speaking will be good on others. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.